If you have an import from China using 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Alibaba, AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to watch this video right now because I'm going to show you the easy way on how to track your order from supplier to your Chinese warehouse shipping company address in China. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Edufish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Like I said earlier, if you are importing from China using Pinduoduo, 1688, made in China, AliExpress, Alibaba, Taobao, consider watch this video because I'm going to show you the easy way to track your goods from supplier to your shipping company warehouse address in China. And one more thing here is that if you are using a procurement agent to make your purchase, or you are trying to purchase item from China using WeChat, you know there is no way for you to track your order except a report from the supplier or a report from your procurement agent. So this video is going to help you out. What you just need is that get your tracking number from the supplier on WeChat, or get the tracking number from your procurement agent, or if you are trying to procure from China using all this platform I mentioned earlier and you have access to your account, simply get the tracking number. Then what you need to do next is to head over to this particular website I'm going to show you in this video. So let's dive in. So the very first thing we want to do is to head over to our browser. So I'm going to use Chrome browser. You can use any browser of your choice to access this particular website. But in this tutorial, I'm going to make use of my Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on Chrome browser right here. Then I'm going to make use of the address bar right here. Then we have to type m.kuaidi.com, then search. So we are going to be left with this particular result. What we want to do here is to simply click on the first result right here. Then it's going to take us to this particular web page. So you can simply see the URL right here. Now on this particular website, there are a lot of logistics company right here. So some of the popular one on 1688 is STO, ZTO, YT. You can simply scroll down and see all the logistics company right here. Or better still, you can click on here and see more logistics company on this particular website. So you can see them right here. Okay. So the more you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of shipping company in China that do the local shipping. Okay. Now let's simply go back to the home page of the site. Then from the home page of the site, how do you use this site to track your order? So I'm going to get a tracking number from my 1688 shopping app. So let's go. So right here, this is my 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on it to open it up. Then having opened up my 1688 shopping app, I will make sure I go to my profile. Then from here, I will get my tracking code. So for me to copy the tracking code, I will simply click on here. Copy, then I will exit from here, then go back to the site. Then on getting back to the site, I will click and hold down and paste the tracking code right here. So I'm going to click and hold down, paste, then I'll click on search right here. Search. Then immediately I click on search, you can see the tracking record right here. Okay, so if you are using Chrome browser to access this site, you have the great opportunity to translate to English language. So for you to do that, just click on these three dots from the top, then select translation. Boom. So everything will be translated to English language. Then you can read the detail of the goods right here. So if a procurement agent send you your tracking number, or a supplier send you a tracking number from WeChat, it is applicable the same way I copy the tracking number from my 1688. I was able to copy a tracking number is because I'm a procurement agent also. So a brief explanation of all this translation here is that from the bottom here, this is when the supplier sent out the parcel to the shipping company and the express received the parcel right here. Okay, then move to this point here, this place, this place, this place, this city, and then to the arrival and sign off at the top right here. So immediately you see something like this, it simply means that this items here has been successfully delivered to my shipping warehouse address in China. Then if you have any issue, maybe the item was not successfully delivered and you see something like this, now it is now your responsibility to simply contact the supplier and ask them about your goods whereabouts. Or better still, you can get the logistic number right here, chat them up on WeChat. They will be able to give you full detailed explanation about your item. So basically, this is how to track your items from any supplier, from any China e-commerce platform to your shipping warehouse address in China without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.